Hi friends, this video shows how to reset Bluetooth settings and fix Bluetooth issues. Tap on the settings app icon, then select system, then select reset options, then select reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Then tap on this reset settings. So this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So tap on this reset settings button, then again tap on reset settings button. Okay, that network settings have been reset. So this way we can reset Bluetooth settings and fix all Bluetooth issues. Okay, so you can try this if you are facing issues with the Bluetooth. For example, you are not able to connect Bluetooth device or pairing is not working. Okay, in that case you can try this.